Good day, Kathy, Fit and Fearless over 50. Welcome to today's small step leg workout. First, we're going to start off with a sit and stand. Very simple. Find a chair and just sit. 1, let's try 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can do more, do more. If you can't do quite 10 yet, or you have to hold on to push yourself up, that's okay. Just keep going. All right, next thing we're going to do are calf raises. Very simple. Stand on your tippy toes and hold for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going if you feel like you can do more. All right, next thing we're going to do is a hip hinge. All right, this is good for the hips and the hamstrings. Bend your knees slightly, and all you do is you push your hips out. Keep your back straight. Push your hips out. Don't bend, don't lower your knees. You can bend them, but you're not doing a squat. Keep that back straight. 3. Go as low as you can. 4. Your hamstrings will tell you when it's too much. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. All right, like I said, you should feel it in your hamstrings a little bit. Okay, ready for the next one? I'm going to do another seated exercise. It's seated leg extensions. Sit straight. Pick a leg to start with, doesn't matter which, and just lift them up. 1, 2. Do its best to keep your foot back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Nothing too hard yet. Now we're going to do standing leg raises. Just find a wall to support yourself on. Stand up straight and lift one leg. 1. Don't arch your back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try the other leg now. I'm going to go over to this side. 1. Remember, don't arch your back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. You finished your first set. Guess what? We need to do more. Let's start back with our sit and stands. And if you need longer breaks between these, feel free to pause it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to move this just off the wall a little bit. There you go. All right, let's do our calf raises again. Stand on our toes. And hold it for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you feel it in your calves now? Even I can. Let's do our hip hinges. Remember, knees slightly bent, about shoulder width apart, back straight, and just push your hips back. 1, 2. Go down as low as you can while you're keeping good form. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to do at least 10 of them. Remember, keeping the form's important. Whether you do less and keep good form, then do more and arch your back. All right, let's go back to leg extensions. Sit down. I'm going to start with the other leg this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the other leg now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bet your hamstrings are feeling it after those 2 back to back. Now let's work on our abductors and adductors. Abductors, adductors. Let's do our standing leg raises. Hold on to the wall, back straight, lift your leg. It is best to keep your foot pointed in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, we've done 2 sets. Way to go. And remember, if you can't get your leg all the way up, I'm not that high yet, keep working on it. You'll get better. Let's try one more set. Let's go back to our sit and stands. I'm going to scoot over this time a little bit. Maybe it won't be so loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only difference between this and a squat is your quad's not getting as big of a workout, because in a squat, when you're here, you're going to hold it. But when you sit and stand, you don't. But you still are working out your legs. And I forgot to count. Let's say 8, 9, 10. Oh, I did one too many, at least. Let's go back to our calf raises. All right, up on your toes, hold it for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How's that feel? Let's do our hip hinges. All right, knees slightly bent, and push your hips out, back straight. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, if you need longer breaks, pause it. 4, 5, and if you can't do 10 yet, don't worry about it. Keep doing it, you'll get there. I think that's 7, 8, 9, 10. Also works your glutes. All right, let's do our leg extensions. This seat's higher than that side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, I like lifting my leg a little bit. 3, that's up to you. 4, 5, but it does work it out a little bit more. 6, 7, if you can do it, do it. 8, 9, 10. You can also try doing them together. I like doing them separate. All right, let's go back to our leg raises. Take a deep breath. All right. Hold on for balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am proud of everybody. You have done 3 sets of the small steps lower body workout. Keep looking. I do have 2 upper bodies, a core and a full body. And if you're ready for the next step, step 1, contact me. Have a great day.